If you're upgrading the audio setup on a boat, ATV, or outdoor system, this Marine amplifier looks really solid right out of the box. This is a 4-channel amp, so it gives you the ability to power multiple speakers from one compact unit, which is nice when you're trying to keep the setup clean and organized. One of the first things I noticed while unboxing it is that it's actually pretty compact for a Marine amp, so it looks like it would fit into tighter spaces a lot easier than some bulkier models. The build quality also feels sturdy. It has an aluminum heatsink design, gold-plated connectors, and protective features built in for things like overheating and short circuits. I also like that it has adjustable gain controls, so you can fine-tune the audio setup depending on your speakers or source unit. Another nice feature is that it's designed for marine environments, so it's built with moisture resistance and corrosion protection in mind. Even though this one isn't installed yet in my setup, the overall construction and features definitely make it look promising for anyone building or upgrading a marine audio system. Overall, if you're looking for a compact multi-channel marine amp with a solid feature set, this is definitely one worth checking out.